How would you like to make beautiful gridded sketchbook layouts like these, but customized to your needs with ease? Introducing the brand new Sketchbook Floozy Universal Template. I designed this thick, durable plastic template to assist you in making any style layout you want. This is perfect for sketchbookers, scrapbookers, or comic book artists. To use, lay the template over your page. Then use a pencil to mark out the size of the boxes you want. Feel free to scoot and slide the template if you need narrower increments than what is provided. Then take a pen and use the edge of the template to trace the boxes you marked out. The template comes with a 90-degree square corner as well as 3 different radiuses of rounded corners, so you can choose the look that meets your needs. After you ink your cells, you can erase the pencil marks, and then you are ready to sketch your art within them. The template also comes with lines for journaling. I wanted to give you maximum versatility with the Sketchbook Floozy Universal Template so you can create any layout your heart desires. I hope this durable template has a permanent place in your art supply stash. Feel free to combine it with the supplies you already have as well as the other Sketchbook Floozy products available exclusively at Craft Stash.